Hello traders, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. First of all, I look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at monthly perspective, we see that euro dollar from the monthly perspective, this is currently a bullish market. We have seen previous months euro dollar has a strong rejection from this resistance zone on the monthly, created this long red bearish candle. Now this candle we have seen that has closed on another monthly level of support. If you closely look at it, you see that the same level acted here as a support in the past. There was a narrow green candle in this big move, form this monthly level of support. Now the same level acted here as a support in the past, support here, also acted here as a support, and we have seen that this month as soon as market open, after creating an overextended market to the downside, this market has a strong rejection to the upside. Now with that rejection, we see that euro dollar creating series of higher high and higher low on the lower time frame, pushing high, and highly likely that this market might go ahead and test this monthly level of resistance, at least to this monthly opening and closing zone on the lower time frame perspective. Now if we look at weekly, we see that euro dollar previous week has formed this doji, which has a strong liquidity gap, breaking this weekly support and then created this weekly doji. This is what exactly expected in the weekly forex forecast, and we have seen that this week, after opening with a gap, euro dollar has a bounce to the upside. Now with that bounce, what we can expect euro dollar to continue to go up, as we could see an inverted head and shoulder formation on euro dollar, and we could see this is the starting of a long term uptrend which we have seen on the weekly perspective for quite a few weeks in this direction. And at the same time, we see that euro dollar on the weekly has broken this weekly resistance zone. Back to back two weekly candle has formed this resistance. We could see a test as a support on the lower time frame, and from that zone we can expect a bullish move on euro dollar. Now looking at daily perspective, we have seen that there is a big impulse on the daily, has broken this daily resistance. So if we readjust this level, we can see that euro dollar previous day also has formed this doji, which is the sign of a strong bullish momentum in this market. We saw there is a gap opening on the beginning of trading week on the daily with this bullish candle, followed by the sellers try to sell this market. Instead, we have seen that once the price has come to this liquidity zone, again the buyers took control and form this daily doji. Now as you can see in this daily doji today, once the market open, initially we see some bullish move, as this zone has not been tested yet on this daily time frame. We could see on the lower time frame now a retest of this previous resistance here on the daily, resistance here as a support, and from that zone we can expect bullish momentum to the upside. As we see that from the higher time frame perspective, euro dollar highly likely that will come back down, come back up to this level to test this significant resistance zone. So if we look at further lower time frame to see where we can find trading opportunity, now this is intraday perspective. We have seen there was a reversal pattern here, and the price has broken out of this zone with this candle during the NFP. We have seen the price has broken out of this structure completely to the upside, and multiple times liquidity gap we have seen after this gap opening, giving euro dollar a strong momentum for further bullish move. Now at the same time, we see that euro dollar now on the lower time frame is consolidating in that zone. The bulls might not getting enough strength, so we could anytime see a lower time frame breakdown. We might see a break of local structure to grab liquidity, especially along this 4-hour 20 EMA, can give us a suitable entry opportunity for this move to the upside. So as soon as you will see euro dollar has broken the local structure and giving us a strong rejection from this high area of value, we will consider going long on euro dollar with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.